How to enhance your English. Speaking English is highly significant. A lot of individuals across the globe speak English. If you can speak English efficiently, you can communicate with many individuals, make new friends, find a good job, and travel to various countries. So how can you enhance your English? Speaking, first of all, you need to practice. Daily practice is highly significant. When you practice, you improve. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, or alone. You can converse with yourself in English. Hello. How do you feel? I am. Thank you. This is a nice way to begin. Second, listen daily to English when listening. It is very also important you listen, and so learn new words and how to speak them and how to construct sentences. You may listen to English songs, see English movies, hear English radio, and view English TV programs. You can even listen to people speaking English by going to the locations where people talk English, listening to them, and studying. Third, read. Read English books. Reading is extremely good. For studying English, when you read, you study new words and how to form sentences. You can read simple books, children's books, newspapers, magazines. And anything in English, when you read, you should read out loud. This will improve your speaking. You can also read with friend and read to each other. This is a nice way to practice. Fourth, write in English. Writing is also beneficial too. Learn English when you write. You will learn how to make sentences. You can write a diary. In English, write about your day, letters to your friends, emails, and stories. When you write, you should try to new words. This will enable you to learn new words. Fifth, do not fear to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher, friends, or relatives if they need help. They will assist you and inform you of how to say words correctly. Don't be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you talk, the better. You will get. Sixth, think in English. This is very significant. When you think in English, you will speak better. You can begin with little things. For instance, when you notice a chair, you can think this is a chair. When you notice a book, you can think this is a book. When you are hungry, you can say, I am hungry. When you are tired, you can say, I am tired. When you say things in English, it will be easy to talk English. Seventh, learn words every day. Learning words is very, very important. When you know lots of words, you can say lots of things. You can use a dictionary to learn words and write them in a notebook. You can attempt to use the new words in sentences. This will assist you in remembering the new words. Eighth, speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it is easier to pronounce the words correctly. It is also easier for others to comprehend. You do not talk too quickly. Take your time. Think about what you wish to say and then say it slowly. Ninth, join an English class. Learning a class is quite useful. You can learn a lot of things in an English class, like new words and how to make sentences. You can practice speaking with your classmates and ask your teacher questions. Your teacher can assist you with your speaking. 10th, have fun learning. English should be fun. When you have fun, you will want to learn more you can play games. In English, sing songs. In English, watch funny movies. In English, and speak to your friends. In English, when you have fun, you will learn better. 11th, use technology these days. We have a lot of tools to assist us in learning English. You can utilize apps on your phone. There are many apps which can assist you in practicing speaking English, learning new vocabulary, and improving pronunciation. You can also utilize the internet by searching websites, watching videos on YouTube, and joining online courses. Technology is extremely useful. For learning English, 12th, making English-speaking friends. Having English-speaking friends is extremely useful. You can practice speaking with them, and they can assist you with your errors and learn new words. You can learn about their way of life and how English is spoken. In other countries, making friends who speak English can be extremely enjoyable and useful. 13th, watch English news. Watching the news is a useful way to learn English. You can learn about what is going on in the world, new words, and how people speak in different situations. You can watch news on TV or the internet. Watching the news can assist you. English. 14th, join an English speaking club. Most places have clubs where people get together to practice their English. You can join such clubs to get to know new people, practice talking with them, and gain from them. Joining an English-speaking club is a good practice and will make your English better. 15th, go to English-speaking countries. Going to English countries is a fine way of improving your English. When you are traveling, you need to speak English. You must communicate with people in hotels, restaurants, and stores, request directions, and speak to individuals visiting English. Speaking nations can be quite enjoyable and useful. 16th, use flashcards. Flashcards are a useful means to learn new words. You can create flashcards with new words. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other side. You can glance at the flashcards daily and practice pronouncing the words. Flashcards are of great assistance for learning new words. 17th, record yourself. Speaking, recording yourself is a good means to practice. You are able to listen to yourself hear your errors and realize how you sound. You can practice speaking the words correctly and ask your teacher or friends to listen to your tape. They can correct your errors. Recording yourself is most useful for learning your English. 18th, mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good method to learn how to speak. You can listen to native speakers and attempt to speak like them. You can imitate their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Mimicking native speakers can make you sound more natural when you speak. English. 19th, reading aloud. Reading aloud is very useful. When you read aloud, you practice speaking. You can hear how the words sound. Practice your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Reading aloud is a very effective method to practice speaking. 20th, practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with is very useful. You can practice speaking with your partner. Help each other with mistakes. Learn from each other. Practice conversations. And practice asking and answering questions. Practicing with a partner is a good way to practice your English. 21st, use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror can help you. You can see yourself when you speak, see your mouth and how you say the words. That you can exercise your facial expressions and gestures in a mirror can aid you to enhance your speaking. Second, join online forums. Online forums are a great area to exercise English. You can attend forums where individuals discuss various issues. Read what others write comments of your own, ask questions and reply questions. Taking part in online forums can enable you to practice writing and enhance your vocabulary. 23rd, write conversation scripts. For writing scripts can enable you to rehearse conversations. You can jot down what you would like to say. Write various responses and practice the script by reading it out loud. Writing scripts can make you feel more confident when speaking. 24th, know about various cultures. Knowing about cultures can make you comprehend how people use English. You can learn about customs, traditions, the way people greet each other, and the way people speak in varying situations. Knowing about cultures can make you communicate better. 25th, set goals. Setting goals is extremely important. You should set small goals. For instance, you can set a goal to learn 5 new words daily. You can set a goal to practice speaking for 10 minutes daily. You can set a goal to read a book every month. Setting goals can assist you in staying motivated. 26th, reward yourself. When you accomplish your goals, you should reward yourself. This can assist you in staying motivated. For instance, if you learn 5 new words daily for 1 week, you can treat yourself to a treat. If you speak daily for a month, you may treat yourself to something you enjoy. Treating yourself can make English more fun. 27th, be patient. Learning a new language is time. You must be patient. You will not become fluent in one day. You must practice daily and keep going. You will make errors, and this is okay. Do not give up. Be patient and keep practicing. 28th, use English in your daily life. Try to use English as much as you can. You can write your shopping list in English, write your notes in English, talk to your pets in English, and think in English. Using English in your daily life will help you improve. 29th, find a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner is someone who wants to learn your language. You can help each other. You can speak in English for some time, then speak in your language. This way, both of you can learn. A language exchange partner can assist you practice speaking and enhance your English. 30th, join online language learning communities. There are numerous online communities where individuals learn languages. You can join these communities to connect with individuals who desire to learn English. You can practice speaking with them, ask questions, and exchange tips. Joining online language learning communities can be extremely beneficial. First, make the most of language exchange apps. There are apps specifically designed for language exchange where you can find partners who are native speakers of English. You can chat with them, voice call, or even video call to practice your speaking skills. These apps often have built-in tools for correcting each other's language, which can be very helpful. 30-second practice pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced in English. English pronunciation can be tricky because some words are spelled similarly but pronounced differently. Practice saying words slowly and listen clearly, and attempt to replicate the proper pronunciation you hear from natives. Third, learn everyday expressions. Aside from learning individual words, it is helpful to learn everyday expressions and phrases used by native speakers in daily conversations. This will make your speech more natural and fluent. 34th, get exposed to English media. Expose yourself to English language media, like movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. Listening to natives in various situations will assist you recognize different accents and enhance your listening ability and speaking ability. 35th, pay attention to your progress. Keep records of your progress in speaking English. Praise yourself on what you achieve, no matter small or large. Take time to ponder over what you learned and where you are yet to improve. Practice on this will ensure you stay motivated and oriented to your target of enhancing your English speaking. 36th, engage in English speaking gatherings and workshops. Search for areas within your area or on the web where you can participate in English speaking gatherings or workshops. These events tend to offer structured practice sessions and chances to practice with fluent speakers. 37th, emphasize fluency rather than accuracy. While it is crucial to speak correctly, particularly in formal situations, prioritize fluency in daily conversations. Don't worry too much about making occasional mistakes. The more you practice speaking, the more naturally fluent you will become. 38th, practice speaking in various situations. Try to practice speaking English in different situations, such as ordering food at a restaurant, making phone calls, or giving presentations. Each situation demands different language abilities and will assist you in becoming more confident in the use of English. 39th, obtain feedback from native speakers. Get feedback on your English speaking ability from native speakers or fluent speakers. They can give you useful insights into areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage. 40th, remain motivated and determined. Learning a language is time-consuming and effortful. Remain dedicated to your objective of improving your English speaking ability. Set realistic EXP expectations and be patient with yourself as you progress. In conclusion, enhancing your English speaking capability calls for commitment and practice. Make use of these tips and tricks to increase your language capability. Step by step, bear in mind each small step you take towards speaking English will assure you to fluency. Keep on practicing, keep on learning, and enjoy the process of mastering a new language. Thank you.